Right now, as you're watching this, artificial intelligence is learning how to do your job. Not in the future, not in 10 years. Right now, today, in real time. And the scary part, most people have absolutely no idea it's already happening. Welcome to Future Theory, where we cover the things the mainstream doesn't want to talk about yet. Today, we're talking about the 10 jobs that AI is quietly eliminating. And the deadline might shock you, because we're not talking about 2040. We're talking about 2027. That's 2 years away. And I've gone through the research, the McKinsey reports, the World Economic Forum data, the OpenAI internal documents, so you don't have to. Stay with me until the end of this video, because number one on this list is going to genuinely surprise you. And I'm also going to tell you exactly what to do about all of this. Okay, so let's talk about what's actually going on first. In 2023, AI felt like a cool toy. In 2024, companies started quietly testing it inside their operations. And in 2025, they started replacing people with it. According to McKinsey, up to 300 million jobs globally could be disrupted by AI automation before 2030. 300 million people. That's almost the entire population of the United States. And the World Economic Forum says 85 million jobs will be gone in the next 4 years alone. But here's the thing, nobody in the mainstream media is saying clearly, these aren't just factory jobs or warehouse jobs. These are college-educated, white-collar, office jobs. The jobs people spent years training for. The jobs people are still going into debt to prepare for right now. So let's get into the list. Number 10. Data entry specialists. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat this one. This job is basically already gone inside most Fortune 500 companies. Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, and dozens of AI tools can now process and organize massive amounts of data automatically, faster than any human, with zero errors. And they don't need a lunch break. Companies that switched saved an average of $40,000 per employee in 2024 alone. When the math looks like that, the decision makes itself. Number 9. Customer service representatives. This one already happened at scale and most people missed the news. Klarna, one of Europe's biggest fintech companies, replaced 700 customer service agents with a single AI chatbot in 2024. 700 humans. One AI, gone. And here's what makes it worse. The AI resolved customer issues faster than the humans did, and customers rated their experience higher. This is the part of the story that should make everyone pay attention. Number 8. Junior copywriters and content writers. And yes, I know this one is uncomfortable for a lot of people watching, but the data is the data. AI writing tools can now produce blog posts, ad copy, product descriptions, and entire email sequences in seconds. Marketing agencies that used to hire 10 writers now hire one to review and edit what the AI already wrote. The role didn't disappear completely, it just shrunk by 90%. And the writers who survived? They learned to work with AI tools, not against them. Number 7. Entry-level financial analysts. Wall Street moves fast, and AI moves even faster. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and BlackRock are all quietly reducing their junior analyst headcount because AI systems can now read thousands of financial reports simultaneously, detect hidden patterns in market data that humans would miss entirely, and generate full investment analysis reports in under 5 minutes. Work that used to take a junior analyst 3 weeks of 70-hour work weeks. 5 minutes. That gap is too big for any company to ignore. Number 6. Legal assistants and paralegals. Now this one surprises people because law feels like one of those fields that's completely human. But law firms are actually one of the fastest adopters of AI right now. Tools like Harvey AI can review thousands of contracts and legal documents in hours, identify legal risks, summarize case law, and draft standard documents automatically. Work that paralegals use to bill 40 to 60 hours on, AI handles in an afternoon. The legal industry is being restructured from the bottom up. Number 5. Commercial graphic designers. And I want to be careful here because I'm not saying all design is dying. Creative, strategic, brand design, that still needs humans. But commercial, template-based, repeat output design work, that market has already shifted dramatically. Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, and Canva AI can generate professional quality visuals in 30 seconds. Brands that used to pay $500 per design project now pay $20 a month for an AI subscription. The math changed, and the industry followed the math. Number 4, and this one genuinely surprised me when I found it: radiologists and medical imaging technicians. Now I know what you're thinking. Medicine is the last place AI replaces humans, right? That's what most people think. But here's what Google's DeepMind actually found. Their AI system detected breast cancer with 11% greater accuracy than specialist human doctors. 11%. In medicine, that number means lives. AI isn't replacing doctors completely, but the number of humans needed inside the imaging pipeline is shrinking every single year. Number 3, software testers and quality assurance engineers. Here's something that blows people's minds when I tell them. AI can now write code, test code, find bugs inside that code, and fix those bugs, all automatically. GitHub Copilot, Amazon Code Whisperer, and OpenAI's coding agents are changing what entire software teams look like. Startups that used to hire a 5-person QA team now run automated AI testing pipelines instead. And it's not just startups. The biggest tech companies in the world are doing the same thing. The irony? The tech industry is automating itself. Number 2, translators and language specialists. Real-time AI translation is now so accurate that it's being used inside international business meetings. Google's Universal Translator, DeepL, OpenAI's voice models. These tools translate language in real time with cultural context at near-native accuracy. The commercial demand for human translators has dropped over 30% since 2023. And the trajectory of this technology? It's not slowing down. It's accelerating. And now, number 1, the job that Fortune 500 companies are cutting first. The role that is disappearing faster than almost any other position in the corporate world right now. Administrative assistants and executive assistants. Now I know some of you expected something more dramatic, but stay with me, because the reason this is number 1 is actually the most important insight in this entire video. Administrative assistants manage schedules, emails, travel, reports, meeting prep, and executive communication. That's an enormous amount of work. And AI agents can now do every single one of those tasks. Microsoft's AI assistant inside Office 365. Google's Gemini workspace tools. These aren't future products. They are live, deployed, and inside the companies you work at right now. And here's the number that makes this hit differently. The average executive assistant in America earns between $50,000 and $80,000 per year. Microsoft Copilot costs $30 per month per user. You do that math. And you understand why this is number 1. Okay, so now I need to tell you something important. Because if you've been watching this and feeling a little anxious right now, good. That means you're paying attention. But I don't want you to leave this video feeling scared. I want you to leave it feeling ready. Because here's what the fear-based headlines always leave out. Every single major technological revolution in human history created more jobs than it destroyed. The steam engine, the assembly line, the personal computer, the internet. Every single time humans said, this technology will end work, they were wrong. AI is not the end of human work. It is the end of average work. Right now, some of the fastest growing and highest paying roles in the world didn't even exist 3 years ago. Prompt engineers, AI trainers and fine-tuners, automation consultants, AI content creators. These roles pay 6 figures, and companies cannot hire fast enough to fill them. The question has never been whether AI will change your life. The question is, will you be ready when it does? The people winning in this new era are not the ones who are smarter than AI. They are the ones who learn to work alongside it, and that is a skill anyone can learn. That's exactly why this channel exists. At Future Theory, we don't just show you what's changing. We show you how to understand it, adapt to it, and actually get ahead of it. If this video gave you even one thing that shifted how you think about the future, please subscribe right now, because I promise you, what we're covering next is even bigger than this. The next video on this channel covers something that even most AI researchers aren't fully prepared for, and if you're not subscribed, you are going to miss it. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.